A long time ago, in a land far away, there was a great pyramid. It was one of the 7 wonders of the world, and it was the center of an enormous empire. Today, however, the only thing left of the pyramid is its name. Most of the great pyramids have been destroyed, and only a few still remain. In Egypt was the tallest building in the world for almost 1,000 years. It was built as a monument to the power and wealth of the kings of ancient Egypt. It was a symbol of the might of the pharaohs. Its height was used to intimidate enemies and celebrate the greatness of the pharaohs, and it was also used as a method of communication between the king and his people. The Great Pyramid of Giza was the largest building in the ancient world. It took 20,000 workers 19 years to build and was intended as a tomb for the Egyptian pharaoh, but today it is best known for its astounding architecture and for the discovery inside it of the only known evidence of a machine that could have produced the great blocks of stone used to build it. This discovery led to a series of other archaeological discoveries that have changed our understanding of the rise of civilization and the development of the written word. The Great Pyramid of Giza, also called the Pyramid of Khufu or the Pyramid of Cheops, is the oldest and largest of the 3 pyramids in the Giza necropolis bordering what is now Cairo, Egypt. The Great Pyramid of Giza is arguably the most famous structure in the world. It is the only one of its kind, and the only one of its kind in Egypt. It was built as a tomb for the pharaoh Khufu, and has baffled historians, explorers, and scientists for centuries. Why was the largest structure in the world constructed in a place that was not Egypt's center of wealth and power at the time? The ancient Egyptian pyramids are among the most famous structures in the world. They were used as tombs and as places of worship, but perhaps their most important use was as a way to store grain. These structures are among the oldest buildings in Egypt and were essential to the survival of the country during times of plenty and crisis. They are still an important part of Egyptian culture and heritage today, and are a great example of the country's ingenuity and engineering prowess.